This says flipper buttons on the side of the cabinet.
It does, yeah.
Well, why do you want to do that to me? Flipper buttons are far apart.
That's why the game's so tough.
That's what?
That's why the game's tough. You're doing pretty good. There you go.
Ah!
It's okay, you get 5 balls on this one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's the old style.